it's more like yeah, we are going to talk about my new bike, Polygon Siskiu D7. Okay, bought it for quite a good price. Well, secondhand, of course. Today I'm gonna be riding this Siskiu D7 to work, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna tell you guys something about the bike, like the specs. I rode it a few times in just 2 trails here in KK, and you know, share my thoughts and some other things. Damn, I picked the wrong day to use this path. It's too muddy. I'm gonna be all spotted in muddies at work. We're gonna go down here. Shit. So if you saw in the Polygon website, Siskiu D7 is a short travel bike, 120 travel in the front, and if I am not mistaken, it is a 120 travel too in the rear shock. It's not exactly enduro kind of bike, but yeah, it will do the job that I need to do. For now, I'm not even that good bike. Well, I'm learning. So let's go through the specs here that I got. Oh, it's a second hand, so things doesn't look quite the same from the catalog. Yeah. So the stem is I think about 40 mil maybe. Short stem. Entity, which is the spec also from the factory. The handlebar also is Entity. The width, I don't know, maybe it's 800. I haven't cut it to my preferences because I need to do a review first. The brakes, okay, it says Shimano MT200. The drivetrain, I think we could call it, it's a Shimano Dior or Diore, whichever you preferred. M5100 series, which is 11 speed. The cassette is also Shimano. RD Shimano, it's all M5100 series. And we have dropper post. I think it's X-Fusion, 150 mil travel. I'm gonna stop here. Nice. Fork is RockShox Recon, 120 treble. The rear shock is RockShox Deluxe, I think. It's 120 treble. Both shock and fork. Yeah, you can tune the rebound in air, but it's not much that you can do, like fine tune it. But you know, like I said, it will do the job for me now. The hubs. It's a direct mount disc, MT400 if I'm not mistaken. It's a 2-axle anyway, 2-axle front and rear, which I was looking for. The disc brake. In the front you have 180. In the back you have 160. What else? The pedal. It's, I don't know. I think I got some alloy pedals. The crank is also from Shimano Deere M5100. It's a single speed, 32 in the front. The rear is 11 to 50, I think, 52%. So all in all, it's you can say it's a XC bike. You can also say it down country bike, but it's a full SAS, which I'm looking for, and I need something that I could climb and descend fast, and I need something that I can use for my bike packing too. Well, I hope this could, I may need to custom design the frame bag. I think not much I can fit in it, but I can put it there. Tools maybe. By the way, it's 27.5 with medium size frame. Oh, the tires. The tires. From the factory, it's supposed to be Navinik, Shelby. Navinik 2.25. The guy that I bought from, he changed it to the front to Maxxis DHR 2.5, no 2.4. So yeah, it's a good deal for me too. So let's talk about the riding. Yeah, like I said, when I first rode this one in Bukit Padang, it's too wild for me. Like the rear kept on making me want to OTV. Yeah, because I don't know how to tune the thing. So we experimented, and I think I have the rear where I want it to. The front is I'm still tuning it, but it's good for now. Let's see. What else? I forgot. The bike is running tubeless, and the rear, I think the old owner told me that he installed some kind of, what do you call that, push course. It's not a push car, I don't know. Some kind of span, like, what do you call that? Insert? Yeah, we call it insert at the back. So yeah, continue back to Bukit Padang, and it was almost out of control. So I had to buy a shock pump, which I don't have, and now I have. And we, put the pressure more. And I'm heavy. I'm like 80 kilos when I got this bike. Now I'm like 79. So we tuned the bike, and yeah, I could do stuff now with this bike. Climb, yeah. Well, I'm not fit, so that's why I'm training. The brakes, since it's 180, 160, empty 200, it doesn't really give me the stopping power that I want. Yeah, stopping power isn't there. Couldn't stop. A few times I hit a friend back tires. So I'm thinking of upgrading this bike, make it like some kind of a trail bike. Which I will upgrade the rear disc to 180. I'm thinking about changing the brake also to either Dio 612 or Select M7120, which is both is 4 parts. I need the braking power. Change the stem, change the stem, change the bar, cut it, and yeah, I need a little bit the rise of a bar. I did order it, and wait for me to install it. What else? Oh yeah, I got the blinkers. It's for, yeah, I'm riding road now. I also need to reroute all these cables, and yeah, it's a mess. The saddle, yeah, the saddle is NTT2. I don't know about the comfort level, but it's kind of okay now. But if I want to make it like a bikepacking bike, I need a saddle that I could use it for multiple days. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade the fork also. Maybe let's say 140. I think it's still doable with 140 for doing a bikepacking. So Scott also bought a new to him bike. It's a Polygon Siskiu T7 if I'm not mistaken. So we decided to make a challenge, a build challenge, where him and I are gonna do a bike build that suited to us, practical, not fashionable. It's a practical, so we can do climb, we can do descent as fast as we could. Yeah, I think 120 is good enough, but you know, some of the trail, they have some harsh conditions, so you need all the travel that I could get. Well, not all 200, I just need some, because I'm building a trail bike. If my skill and my fitness is much more better, and of course the economy, I mean my income, I will someday upgrade to enduro bike. I guess that's it for the bike review and the plans that I shared to you guys, which is so self-centered of me. But it's okay. I mean, you can leave your comments down below and let me know what you think, and if you have any suggestion, you know, building a trail bike with this frame, with this amount of travel that I have on my back, in my rear shock, I mean. Because I don't know if I could upgrade the travel for the rear shock. I know the front, yeah, you can go 160 if you want, but yeah, but I mean, it needs to be practical for the job. So yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, see you guys later.